everybody, welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome to the channel. So we're going to go ahead and get started with today's cleaning. So today's cleaning, I'm going to be taking you through a spare bedroom that I have. Cleaning that, as you can see, it's pretty empty, so it's going to be majorly just cleaning, such as dusting, wiping down baseboards and shutters, things like that. So nothing to really reorganize here in this room. And then I'm also going to be taking you through our workout room as well to clean up that space. So I am just starting with the dusting. I like to try my best to remember to clean from top to bottom when I clean. That's just the way I found that works the best for me. So that way, if you have any dust that gets accumulated, it will get accumulated on the floor, which you have yet to vacuum or sweep or mop, depending on the room. And so I just try my best to remember to clean top to bottom. And of course, little Gus Gus is joining us. He is my little sidekick any time of the day, but especially when I'm cleaning, he loves to follow me around. And after dusting, I just take a wet microfiber cloth and I wipe down all the baseboards. So this is something I do each and every week. So what you'll see here is my standard cleaning routine. So it only gets different if the room gets messier throughout the week. But I notice if you keep up with it every single week, it pretty much stays this clean or this dirty, and then you just have to maintain it, which is really nice. So today's video is a speed cleaning video. If you ever want a long form content in real time of me cleaning, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do that also. Engine on in the drive, running for hours. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm taking my vacuum and I'm just vacuuming the room. I'm not an expert vacuumer. I just try my best, and this room doesn't get much use or wear and tear. As you can see, it is empty, and so I just do my best to vacuum it every week and keep it clean. Slowly we twist the knife, we're falling like towers, and I can feel it, and we're running out of hope tonight. I hear you breathing as we're hanging on to you and I. Oh, we were kids in love, and then we grew up. Oh, won't you hold me close tonight? Like we're kids in love. Kids in love. And now we are moving on to the workout room. So the workout room is one of those rooms in my house that changes all the time. It's always being rearranged, but this is how it was when I recorded this video. So this set and this setup, I've got my yoga mat out because I use it every single day. And then the machines stay where they are for the most part. Only the light ones get moved around. So this is the space that we're working with today. Also, if you've seen some of my walking videos, you've probably seen this space before. So this is where I shoot my walking videos most of the time. So I'm just starting picking everything up before I even start cleaning everything off. I try to move as much as possible out of this room that I can before sweeping or before vacuuming and dusting and all that, just because that'll give me more space to be able to clean. Some of the really heavy stuff though, I do not move each and every time. I just leave it where it is and vacuum around it. So much like the other room, after I moved the things around and out of the room, I am just starting with my dusting. Now this room has quite a few shutters in it, so this room does take me a little bit longer than some of the other rooms just because it is a larger room and it has more windows in it.
say it's fine, but honestly, I can't believe it that you ain't leaving. The world keeps testing me. What can we expect?
And I apologize for the lighting change. It will come back soon. So that just happens when opening and closing the shutters, and depending on the time of the day that it is, the sun likes to go behind the clouds and come back.
Only 23. You say I'm alright, but I'm far too weak.
In this room, unlike the last room, we have installed a new ceiling fan in, just because it is a workout space, and so we want to make sure to stay cool in the space. So the last room did not have a ceiling fan, it just had a light fixture. Eventually I'd love to put ceiling fans in all the rooms, just because it's really hot where I live, and so I think ceiling fans are necessary in every room. It's just something that we haven't updated yet.
I can't believe it that you ain't leaving. Did it cross your mind? 'Cause I see a strange look in your eyes, and every time it's there, I paralyze.
And it just depends on the day, but sometimes I will move all of these videos off and dust the whole thing, or sometimes I will just dust around it. It really depends how dusty it's gotten over the week. I try to move the really light things like the dumbbells and stuff back. Obviously DVDs and things are even lighter than that. However, it would take a lot more effort for me to move them and put them back in the same order and just all that. And so I just decided today to just dust around them.
My heart stops with beating, afraid that you're leaving. Do you think you're better off alone?
And as with every room, I take my wet microfiber cloth and I clean all the baseboards that I can see, and I try to remember to get the light fixtures or the light switches when I can as well. Sometimes I miss those just out of forgetfulness, but I try my best to remember.
Do you think you're better off alone? Do you think you're better off alone? Do you think you're better off alone?
And now I'm just starting to vacuum. So this is one of those rooms that I always kind of find daunting looking in it, to be able to start cleaning in general, just because it's a larger room than the other rooms. And so I just look at it and think it's going to be a lot of work. But then once I get started on it, it's not too bad. Let me know in the comments down below if you have a room in your house which you dread cleaning.
touch me one more time. Come on, dare me. Baby, make your move. Step across the line. Touch me one more time. Come on, dare me. Dare me, 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 dare me.
And this is the final look of the room. So this is the final look before I put things back inside the room, but after I've just vacuumed it. So if you like videos like these, make sure to leave me a comment down below for what you would like to see next. Like the video as well, and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. That would really help me out the most. And now it's time to put everything back that I took out of the room. So just putting it back, I think I put it back where it went. So I try to put everything back where it went. Besides the yoga mat, I try to roll that up when I can, but it'll be back out shortly. And this is just a final look once everything is put back into the room. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, and happy cleaning.